Hello friends. Welcome back to Stable Automation. In this video, I will demonstrate how to factory reset Ewon Cozy 131 module. This is also called Level 2 Reset. This will format the entire non-volatile memory, including all COM parameters, password, and IP addresses. So you will be required to configure Ewon module again to make it functioning. For this, we will be required to press and hold reset button BI1. Note that the reset function of this button is active only if pressed while powering on the Ewon module. Power off the unit. While powering it on, press and maintain the reset button. The LED labeled BI1 turns green. Keep the reset button pressed for approximately 35 seconds until the USR LED remains red steady. When this state is reached, release the button. The LED labeled BI1 turns off. Check if the auto test is successful. The USR LED blinks red with a pattern of 200 milliseconds on and 1500 milliseconds off. The Cozy 131 does not restart by itself in normal mode and remains running in this diagnostic mode. Power off the Ewon Cozy 131 and power it on again to reboot the unit in a normal mode. The Ewon Cozy 131 returns to its default COM parameters and factory IP addresses, such as LAN 10.0.0.53. The Ewon Cozy 131 has returned to its factory settings configuration. All parameters are lost. It is booting up. To configure it again, please check the link given in the description of this video. Wait until USR LED is steady green. Module is restored to factory default configuration and started normally. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos.